Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best USB drive in the 1TB category, the SanDisk 1TB Extreme Portable SSD, model SD/SSD-E61-1T00G25. This device has earned that top spot for good reason, and over the next 5 minutes, I'll tell you exactly why this external SSD is a must-have for professionals, creatives, and anyone who needs fast, reliable, and rugged storage on the go. Let's start with the performance. This SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD delivers read speeds of up to 1050 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 1000 megabytes per second. That's blazing fast NVMe performance packed into a tiny form factor. Whether you're editing high-resolution video, transferring large design files, or backing up your entire system, this SSD handles it all with incredible speed and smoothness. Now, performance is great, but it also needs to be built for real life, and this SSD is. It features up to 3-meter drop protection, which is more than enough for day-to-day rough handling. On top of that, it's rated IP65 for water and dust resistance. That means it's sealed against low-pressure water jets and totally protected from dust, ideal for photographers and videographers working outdoors, travelers, or anyone operating in tough environments. The design is smart, too. It comes with a carabiner loop, so you can hook it right onto your belt loop or backpack. You don't have to worry about misplacing it or leaving it behind. It's also compact and lightweight, just 2.5 centimeters in form factor, so it won't weigh you down no matter where you're headed. Security is another area where this drive really shines. It includes 256-bit AES hardware encryption and password protection. This gives you peace of mind if you're carrying sensitive personal or work data. With hardware-level security, you know your information is protected from unauthorized access. Managing your files is also easy thanks to the SanDisk Memory Zone app. This companion app helps you manage files and automatically free up space on your phone or tablet, which is perfect if you're dealing with limited device storage and need quick offloads. Let's not forget about compatibility. It supports USB 3.2 Gen 2 and connects via USB-C, which means ultra-fast transfer speeds and broad compatibility with both new and older devices. It works great with Windows and Mac OS, and you can use adapters to make it work with just about anything else. To sum it up, the SanDisk 1TB Extreme Portable SSD is not just the best USB drive in its class. It's also one of the most dependable and versatile storage solutions you can buy today. Whether you're a creator, a traveler, or just someone who values performance and protection, this SSD checks every box. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions or suggestions in the comments. We'll see you in the next review.